What's this, you ask? We have a third function valve kit. We have an LA 765, LA 764, LA 525, LA 524. Part number VKKULA 525. Let's see what this looks like. Let me look at this in a second. Yeah, it's definitely got some weight to it. Looking good. WR Long Ink. That's all ready to go. We trust nothing is tight. Double check everything. That's our new line. Made in USA. Oh, it's always fun. We're gonna have to put this together. That's where the switch goes. Looks like that's our switch. Well, it's a roller. Feels pretty good. That's it. Connectors, screws. Order of operations is important. Oh boy. How you doing?
Alright.
Here are directions.
The winter stuff is here, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fucking clouds.